Hi, I'm Joseph and I work here with the team at Roofmaker, and today we're going to be talking about pitched roof lights, often referred to as skylights. Pitched roof lights are suitable for pitches between 15 and 75 degrees, making them suitable for loft conversions, ground floor extensions and more. The Luxlite is one of our most popular products, winner of the Best Installation at the Pitched Roofing Awards of 2018. Its design and features really make it stand out from the competition. If you're unsure whether to go with a Luxlite or an alternative pitched roof light for your project, here are 5 reasons why you should go with our Luxlite. Reason 1, the frameless view from the inside creates a clean, uninterrupted view across the entire roof light. When compared to traditional framed roof lights, this allows far more light to enter the property. The Luxlite is made to order, so you can actually have bespoke sizing at no extra cost to you. This example is a 1500 by 900 unit, which can be taken up to an impressive 2400 by 1200 or 3000 by 1000, far bigger than most traditional pitched roof lights on the market. We work to internal dimensions, so you can be assured that the dimension that you order won't be eaten up by a chunky frame. The Luxlite is available either fixed or opening for those not only wanting to improve the natural light but also ventilation in the room below. The chain actuators that open the unit are electronic and they're actually concealed within the frame of the unit, completely out of sight. The first option with the opening version is to have a rocker switch control which you'll mount to your wall. You can upgrade this to remote controlled if you wish. This option also comes with a rain sensor which will close the unit should it start to rain. Triple glazed with easy clean glass as standard, we use our specialist reflex glass which has super insulating properties. We do 5 different types of glass to cater for most needs such as thermal efficiency, acoustics and security. You can even combine the types of glass that we offer to cater for a combination of different needs. The Luxlite comes with a built-in flashing apron as standard, which means it's fully assembled, which results in a faster installation for you. The fact that it's fully assembled and in one piece also means superior weathering, which will reduce the chances of water ingress over time. If you're renovating a period property or barn conversion, you can enjoy all the benefits of this modern, highly efficient roof light while still in keeping with the character of your period property by going with our conservation Luxlite.